Tired of multiple system notification sound in Mobile Legends and want to turn it off? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some easy steps on how to turn off system notification sound in Mobile Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on the sound from the left side of your screen. Here you can see sound notification. Now adjust the volume of the system notification by sliding the button towards max or off option like this. If you fully want to turn off the sound of system notification, then drag the button towards off. And that's how you can turn off system notification sound in Mobile Legends. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.